Go Spartans! Hi, I'm Jane Mutter, and I am a child nutrition manager at Lake Forest High School in Felton, Delaware, home of the Spartans. I was born and raised in Felton. Actually went to Lake Forest and graduated from Lake Forest High School. I had 3 brothers, 2 sisters, parents that like to travel. I was very lucky, very loving, had a great childhood. I took all kinds of classes that were about office procedures because I was sure I was going to be a secretary when I graduated high school. And as it turned out, when I graduated, I did get a secretarial position with the state bank commissioner, and I hated it. I didn't like it at all. But as you know, you get a job and you just can't quit it. You need to see it through, and you need the money. Well, at this time, I met my husband, who was in the service. He was from Michigan, and we ended up getting married fairly quickly. We've been together 38 years. It's hard to believe. We moved to Michigan. I was only 19 years old, and I get to Michigan. I have no idea what I want to do. Um, so I go out and I get a job at a bakery. I've been there about 2 weeks and had applied at several places, but I went to this bakery, got a job as a part-time donut icer. Loved it. Loved every minute of it. Stayed there 28 years. In the 28 years I was there, I was a head baker probably the last 15, and I did my own crew, had my own crew, managed it at night for the last 15 years. It was quite the experience. I really hated leaving there, but after we had raised our kids in Michigan. We had 2 kids in Michigan, and we had raised them. We decided that we were going to move back to Delaware. My parents had called. My mom was having health issues and was going to be needing some help. Our kids were gone. I hadn't really seen my huge family that I have in about 28 years. When I'd go home, I'd only see a few of them. And I really missed all of them. So we decided to move back. My husband got a job first, and then when I got there, we looked. I got a part-time job at the school in the cafeteria, in the dish room, and I got the bug, and that was all there was to it. I saw how important the job was for the child nutrition workers and what it meant. So I got a 4-hour position. I got a 5.5. Then I became a cook, and then I became a manager. Took me about 3 years because I did have management experience. I love it. I really do love it. Um, so this brings me to today. I'm in college today because I want a higher position in child nutrition. I'm a manager, but I can be a supervisor, or maybe not in just this particular part of it. There's a lot of other things that I can become with this particular degree. I took a business administration degree. I actually started with a logistics degree, but they did away with that one. So I'm looking forward. I've enjoyed school so far. It's been a long process because I can only take a few classes at a time, but I do see the light at the end of the tunnel. But the reason I want to stay in child nutrition, I can see why we are needed, especially now in the pandemic. There's so much food insecurity with our children, our families. We have been working since COVID hit. We have not stopped working. And I know what we do is needed for these students. So this is why I'm going to college now, and I think this is where I need to be, and I'm happy to be here. Thank you.